is another one on the Volvo FH series. This is to do with the new interface on the infotainment system. Because it's all touch screen and also you can use the buttons as well, it gets a little bit complicated. But this one is just to take you through how to set up the radio and also the volume and the bass, the treble, things like that. So you're into the main menu for your audio. These three buttons, just tap the screen. All applications, audio effects, that's the one you want, just touch it. And here you'll get the equalizer, the loudest button and the balance. These are all checked with the green arrow. I'll press the equalizer button. Now along the bottom you can see the different versions. If you just gently swipe it across, these are presets. So let's go for punchy. Okay, so they're all preset equalizer settings. However you want to listen, whether you got speech radio or music or however you like your music. But I like custom, so I just scroll it over to custom, put it on custom 1. But that's not how it's set, but and you just literally slide it up like that, simple. And we'll go a little bit more bass. And once you're done, come back out. Same with the loudness. You can have it medium, high, or low. You just again touch the bottom. It changes the pictogram with the wavelength. Again, I'll put that on high because I'm getting a little bit deaf. I'll put on this one. Again, with your balance and your fader, and you can just literally move it up or down, left or right, put it in the middle, and there enough. And that is it. Very simple, but it's really hard to find if you don't know. And again, obviously these, just press them. Use a scroll up and down. At the moment it's on Radio 5 Live. You just tap it to get it back. I won't tap it because the sound will come on. Well, that's it. That's how you set it up. Again, I'd always say thanks for watching. If you like what you see, press the subscribe button and the like button, and also the bell for further notifications and any other rubbish I may come up with in the future. Catch you later. Thank you.